If we talk about the history of Marathas, especially their sculptures, their buildings and forts, then there should be the mention of Fort Raigad. Once upon a time, Shivaji Maharaj had given to build the Fort Raigad, and to that responsibility was given to one special person. He was a special engineer of Shivaji Maharaj, and the name of that person was Hiroji Indulkar. Shivaji Maharaj had given the responsibility to him, and Hiroji Indulkar started his work. And after some time, Hiroji Indulkar realized that the money or the treasury, whatever treasury that Shivaji Maharaj had given to him for the building of Fort Raigad, it was finished. And after finishing that treasury, it was a big question before Hiroji Indulkar that what should be done now, and to whom should he ask for the money, because Shivaji Maharaj was on any another or different expedition. He had gone for any expedition, so Shivaji Maharaj was not there. He was away from the Swaraj. Then Hiroji Indulkar took the decision and he sold his own property, his own farm, his own house, and then he came to the Fort Raigad. He started to live there at the beneath of Fort Raigad, and he was living in a small hut or a small cottage with his family. And within the given time period, within the time limit, he continued his work and he completed the building of Fort Raigad. And next year or after some time, when Shivaji Maharaj knew this all things, Shivaji Maharaj understood that what Hiroji Indulkar had done for Swaraj, and then Shivaji Maharaj appreciated him a lot, admired him, and asked him that, Hiroji, what do you want? Your work is very valuable work for the Swaraj, and if you want any reward, you can ask me, you can demand me, tell me. Then Hiroji Indulkar, he just replied Maharaj, politely replied to Maharaj, Maharaj, I don't want anything for me. Just allow me to sculpt my name, to write my name at the first step of the temple of Jagdishwar. There was Jagdishwar temple on the Swaraj. And then after listening this demand, Shivaji Maharaj was totally amazed, shocked, and what a different demand that Hiroji Indulkar was asking for. And that demand was very different. And but Shivaji Maharaj asked him, you can take any reward, any special thing. Why are you asking this? Then he explained, Hiroji explained to Shivaji Maharaj, and he told Maharaj, it would be regard to me if my name would be there on the first step. Because why? Whenever you would come there to take the regard, to take darshan of Jagdishwar, you would definitely come there. Your foot would touch to that name, and it would be the regard and benevolence and your grace to me. So what a loyal person that Hiroji Indulkar was. And now also there are words, those words were written, Seveche Thai Tatpara Hiroji Indulkar. That means he was expert person in his service. And here in this time, we need such kind of loyal person in our administration, in our day-to-day life also. We should adopt this quality of Hiroji Indulkar, and we should take good motivation from his story and his character. That's only I want to tell you from this story. Thank you. Thank you so much.